Hello everyone. We are trying to find a comfortable bed in terms of camping in Tesla Model Y. So we've gone through plenty of beds in Amazon, but we bought one and we did not feel comfortable at all. So we bought this Tesla Model Y Air mattress. It's like $225. So let me unbox it now. Packaging is pretty small compared to what you get outside. And it has a nice bag, and as well as a filler. Let me open this one. So the air filler has two sides. So one side it will pump the air, the other side is it will get the air out of the mattress so that you can fold it easily. Bag is pretty good, so we can also put the pump in the bag and pack it together. Fits perfectly in the front door. Let me fold the seats. And they have this nice strips that you can put it on once you roll it back. Make sure that the filler is on the end towards your tailgate, so that it'll be easy to fill. I think that's how it'll fit. So if the filler is the other way, it won't fit. So this bed covers all the gaps once you fill the air, so it's like perfect fit for the Model Y. So I think it's pretty comfortable for two people. So the yellow thing that you see, you need to remove that. Initially I did not remove that and struggled to fill the air. So when you are trying it for the first time, don't forget to remove that. I don't like the small cab design, so I think if we lose this one, we won't be able to use the filler. Make sure that store it in a safe way. So this part is a little tricky, so if you're doing it for the first time. So there's no proper marking or anything on the cap, which I did not like. So you have connector in the boot itself, so it's pretty easy to, and it's very convenient as well. So after struggling for some time, I figured out we need to remove this yellow tab. And set this back, and also make sure that The pump has two inputs, so one will fill there and the other one will remove there. So make sure, so this side is filler. On the top, if you see, that is the one which is empty there. So it is pretty fast once you connect it. I think it took around maybe 15-20 seconds to get in a shape. I think within 30-40 seconds it's pretty much full. Well, the bed is very comfortable, and I tried to sleep couple of days in a camp, and I liked it very much compared to the other bed that we used. Definitely value for money.